A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. B for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for ear. Z for zebra. See you next video. Bye.